Hello, this video is going to be about foot toys and why they're important for your parrots. Foot toys are a great enrichment for parrots as they provide beak and foot exercise. By playing with foot toys, parrots can increase their coordination, their leg strength, and their foot dexterity, which is helpful for climbing around cages and on different kinds of perches, and different perches can also increase this. Chewing on a wooden foot toy can also help wear down a bird's beak, and in this video you can see Siren and Phoenix sitting there chewing bamboo sticks and wearing down their beak and working on their coordination. Enjoy!